Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with the new AeroIDX WordPress plugin. We'll cover everything from installation and setup to creating your first IDX pages and embedding widgets into your website. Let's get started. The first step is installing the plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for AeroIDX in the WordPress Plugin Directory. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate. After activation, the AeroIDX onboarding wizard will automatically launch. The onboarding process only takes a minute. First, you'll be asked to enter your AeroIDX API key to connect your website with your AeroIDX account. After that, you'll have the option to automatically create some of the most common IDX pages for your website. If you'd rather configure them later, you can always skip this step. Once onboarding is complete, let's create our first IDX page. Go to IDX Pages and click Create Page. We'll start with a search page. After creating it, simply open the page in the WordPress editor or any other editor like Elementor. Since the plugin works natively with WordPress, you can customize the page just like any other page on your site. For example, you can update the layout, add headings, insert additional blocks, or adjust the overall design to better match your website. When you're done, publish the page. Now let's open it. As you can see, the property search is fully functional and ready for visitors to start browsing listings. Next, let's look at the listing details page. Unlike the search page, listing details pages are generated dynamically. The plugin automatically creates SEO-friendly pages for every property, allowing search engines to index each listing individually. By default, the URL follows this format: details/address/listing ID. The first part of the URL is customizable, so you can easily match it to your preferred permalink structure. This helps improve both your site's organization and its SEO. Finally, let's look at widgets. If you've already created widgets inside AeroIDX, you can easily add them to your WordPress site using shortcodes. Simply copy the shortcode in any page or post, publish your changes, and your widget will appear automatically. It's a quick and flexible way to reuse your existing AeroIDX widgets without any additional configuration. And that's it. With the AeroIDX WordPress plugin, you can install, configure, and launch powerful IDX pages in just a few minutes.